Hello everyone, Mr. Hissner here, and today we are going to continue our logical statements. So we looked at conditional statements and examined the inverse, the converse, and the contrapositive of those inverse statements. And today we are going to be looking at another type of statement. This statement is what is called a biconditional statement, and it deals with our similar ideas where we're going to have our P's and our Q's, but this is going to be a little bit of a more of a airtight statement. And I think you'll understand that as we look at it through that lens. Okay, so this is, I'm going to make this float. Excuse me. So, looking at biconditional statements. And so, the definition of a biconditional statement, this is the conjunction of a statement, of a conditional statement and its converse. So, this is a conjunction of a conditional statement good. That's good. That's what we like to do. Conjunction of the conditional statement and its converse. Okay, so symbolic form, this is what we have. We have P implies Q and Q implies P, right? So if P then Q and if Q then P. So what we kind of do here is we take the P and the Q, and because we have P going to Q and then Q also going to P, you can think of it as like coming back this way. And so what we do is we put arrows on both sides. And this is read P if and only if Q. P if and only if Q. Conditional statements are true when both the conditional and the converse are true. Both the conditional and the converse are true. So you need these both to be true for this statement to be true. And these are very things. So one of the, here we go. The first example is a great conditional statement or biconditional statement. Two angles are supplementary if and only if their sum is 180 degrees. So if their sum is 180 degrees, then they're supplementary. If they're supplementary, then their sum is 180 degrees. And so that's how I'm going to pick this apart. Two angles are supplementary. Their sum is 180. So conditional would be the hypothesis and then conclusion. So this is going to be my P, and then Q is in blue. So this is going to be if two angles are supplementary, then the conclusion, then their measure is 100. Then the sum of their measures are 180 degrees. So if two angles are supplementary, then the sum of their measures are 180 degrees. And then the converse is also true. So that's going to be the Q first. So if the sum, I'm just going to write if the angle sum of two angles is 180, then P. Then those angles are supplementary. And that's true. This is 100% true. This is 100% true. Yes. This condition is because both statements are true. So both these statements are true, so that means that the entire statement is true. And again, what did we do here? Well, a conditional statement, P and Q, and the converse, Q and P, when we put these together, we get a biconditional statement. and that is read P if and only if Q. So P if and only if Q. So what did I do here? I took the P and I said if P, then Q, then I switched it. If Q, then P, and it's true only when both of those things are true. So, so that's that. This is our last statement. So again, we had conditional. That's all right. Conditional, inverse, converse, contra, positive, and now biconditional. So we have 5. We got the big 5, the whole hand, and this is the last bit of information that we are going to have that will be on our quiz. And these are really brings us back to full circle. Is that notice that we are always starting with a conditional statement and then altering that. So the idea is start with conditional as your base and then work your way around those for the others, and you should be fine. Thanks for watching.